How to know if someone is busy on Snapchat on another call. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can know if someone is on another call on Snapchat. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to know if someone else is on call with another person, you need to open up your Snapchat account, and after that simply you'll be able to see this home screen. So I just want you to go to the chat section and here tap on the person that you want to know is on another call or not. So I'm just going to tap on that person. After that, here you'll be able to see the call and video call options. So you just need to hit that video call or call option, and when you hit it, that call will be automatically declined within 1 second. So if that happens, that person is basically on call with another person, and that person may call you back after he or she ends her call with the person they were calling before. So therefore, by following this method, you can know if someone is on another call on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.